Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video, I will tell you how can you write a program in Python to print numbers from 1 to 10 using for loop. So to write numbers from 1 to 10 using for loop, you have to know about for loop. So for loop is user defined loop which repeats values for the user defined numbers, or can say iterations. So now I will demonstrate you how can you declare it. So you have to write here for I in range 1 to 11 print I. So this is just a 2-line program to print numbers from 1 to 10 using for loop. So on running this program, what will happen? For loop it starts from 1 to 10. So I will write here 11 as it counts one less. So if I will write 21, it will goes to 20. If I will write 101, it will goes to 100. So as I have to write numbers from 1 to 10, I have written here 11. So now I'm gonna run the program. So here you can see it has written 1 to 10. So this is just a simple program, a 2-line program can say, to write numbers from 1 to 10 using for loop in Python. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching. Hope it is helpful for you.